Today is bit sunny, but definitely still now it's cold, but yeah, we can start our gardening. So from last year it's just lying here, so we have to start preparing the garden. So we are in cleaning mode today, so definitely slowly we'll update all the gardening, how is our gardening is going on and everything. So yes, our gardening journey has started already. Before starting the video, I would like to share, we did one experiment this winter. So I would like to share that experiment. What did you do? This is my beetroot spinach. This beetroot spinach we grew in winter time and we left the bag outside. But it didn't die, it survived. So yes, you can enjoy this beetroot spinach throughout the year. In winter also you can grow and you can enjoy. To start our gardening, we did some shopping. Let me share what all we bought. Chicken manure is a good source of fertilizer. Chicken manure provides nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium to our plants. Nitrogen, which helps promote green leafy growth in our plants. It also has phosphorus and potassium. Phosphorus releases slowly to promote root growth, while potassium promotes flower and helps fruits and vegetables ripen. We bought Epsom salt as well. Epsom salt helps improve flower blooming and enhances a plant's green color. It helps plant grow bushier. Epsom salt is basically magnesium and sulfur. Bone meal acts as a great fertilizer. It's a great source of phosphorus, which is an essential nutrient for plants to help them flower and new plants to produce strong roots. It contains calcium, suitable for organic growing, acts as a slow-release fertilizer, boosts health of flowering plants. Seaweed also a source of fertilizer, it's including nitrogen, potassium, phosphate and magnesium. Topsoil is the main ingredients for the gardener they need for their gardening. Compost. Multi-purpose compost is an excellent all-rounder when it comes to planting new seeds and bulbs as well as a propagation. The advantages of using compost are to improve soil quality, enabling it to better retain air, nutrients and moisture, and resulting in healthier plants. Perlite is fantastic for improving the growth of your seedlings and plants. Perlite will trap air in the compost and encourage water to drain through, ensuring the plant's roots will never sit in a damp soil. Here is cocopeat. It improves water retention and decreases the risk of the soil, fungus and root diseases. In next video, I'll show you the preparation of our soil. So yes, I have shared with you all what all shopping we did for our gardening. Some of the bags and packs you have seen is already open, means we have started our gardening journey. We have started our seeding. So keep watching my channel because lots of new videos regarding the gardening it will come to my channel. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have not done, please do it now and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications whenever I upload my new video. So thanks for watching. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.